Welcome everyone! Today, we're gonna learn how to export code on Monday Hero. It's critical to create components before exporting code. As you know, Monday Hero automatically understands the images, text, and views in the design. Go to the components video to check how to create components like buttons, text fields, and more. Great! If you are ready to export the code, let's get started. To export the code, click the code. If you want, you can download the single page with clicking the download selected screen. Now we will download the whole project. Click the download project. Double-click the TravelApp.zip. When you unzip the TravelApp.zip file, you will get the Travel App folder. Let's open it in Xcode. Open a project or file. Select Travel App. Click Open. Trust and open. The screens are downloaded as main.storyboard file. Click Main. Now you can see the screens: login page, new post page, and sign up page. Also, it's possible to export only code without storyboard. You can see the code in the ViewControllers folder: login page code, new post page code, and sign up page code. And also you can find the components in the components folder. And also HeroComponents. When the project has been exported, the colors, fonts, assets, and UI layout code can be found in the project. Please note that there are no duplicate values in colors, fonts, and string files. You can find the colors in the Styles folder. Click Styles, the colors. The colors are downloaded as a single file and automatically named by Monday Hero in colors.swift file. The colors values are also not duplicated. The other file in the Styles folder is Fonts. Click Fonts. The fonts and their size are downloaded in one file as text styles and can be found and edited in the fonts.swift file. The strings are also exported in a single file for the whole project. We can find them in the Localizable.strings file. Click Localizable. Strings are here. One of the most important exported files is Assets. They can be found in the Assets folder. Click Assets. They are downloaded in 1x, 2x, and 3x densities. You can see them in the Finder. They are all ready to use and automatically sized. We can see the navigation code in the navigation folder. Click Main Coordinator. Now the project is ready to run. Let's open the Travel app in the simulator. We can use the iPhone 13 as a simulator. Build it. Let's write an email. Click Login. Perfect. After these steps, the development takes place out of Monday Hero. With already exported project UI as an Xcode project, and it's ready to work in a development environment. Now it's time to work on the backend services and configurations. Happy coding! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications to stay up to date. See you in the next video. Good luck as a Hero developer.